I'm Heidi, or Kiiwetinepinesiik. I'm Turtle Mountain Anishinaabe and an associate professor in the Indigenous governance program. My research is about Anishinaabe law and specifically looks at the ways in which our communities can both revitalize our legal traditions as well as the ways in which our legal traditions were shaping and influencing our treaty relations with the U.S. and Canada. I was really inspired by watching Anishinaabe people who were fighting for our treaty rights back when I was in college. I think I was just also really inspired to try to produce the kind of work I had hoped would have been available when I was young and in college, and the kinds of things I wanted to learn about and read about. I think my research is really important to many Canadians as Canada looks to think about how to both recognize Indigenous legal traditions as well as the ways in which those legal traditions can help both Indigenous people as well as non-Indigenous people in working through the kind of various challenges that face us as a nation. Everything from gender-based violence and family matters to issues of politics to climate change can all, be deeply informed and transformed by Indigenous legal tradition.